He's the first Tibetan fighter in the UFC from China's Sichuan province.
I think it's the fact that he's a southpaw, he's dynamic.
Oh, look at that.
And he strikes, so he sees the strikes before he needs to throw.
Beautiful straight left.
He doesn't just throw blindly. He throws with intent, he throws to hurt you, and he's got a lot of power when he punches.
Oh! That was...
Oh my word.
Super high ceiling for this guy in the 125-pound division.
Sumu Darji making quick work of Malcolm Gordon.
You gotta be kidding me. That was an incredible performance.
没有进入这个综合格斗之前，我觉得我一辈子都不会打综合格斗，感觉很残酷、很残忍。进入格斗以后，才慢慢的喜欢这项运动。小时候我是从这个中国四川的这个大山成长，当时俱乐部在成都，所以13岁以后从大山走出来，就是因为格斗改变了我的命运吧。我的父母也是农民，从小就在大山生活，所以小时候其实条件是比较差的。其实我们没有太多的选择，比如我不练格斗以后我就去干这个，或者我去干那个，没有这个条件，所以必须得往前走。13岁以前其实哪有知道困难什么，每天有碗饭吃其实就够了。当我开始有一点意识，成长的过程中，我就遇到了恩波老师嘛。当时印象最深刻的就是我们干爹老师让我们看这个综合格斗，那个时候唯一能打 UFC 的就李景亮嘛，自己也很想成为就是中国的 UFC 选手，中国 UFC 选手太少了。对我自己个人来说，我觉得在 MMA 算是我成长的比较快。转入 MMA 第1年我就拿了这个国内像最好的赛事吧，当时也是武林龙中队，拿了武林龙中队历史上的第1条金腰带，可能也是引起 UFC 的注意。我第一次打 UFC 其实是在北京，想象跟经历是不一样的。我觉得当你真正进入 UFC 去做这个流程，称重，然后签海报，然后比赛各方面都很专业，这个时候就会莫名的有一种紧张感。
Oh, that was a good counter.
紧张跟兴奋有点过度，导致自己也没有发挥好。
Oh, look at that. Beautiful work from Smolka.
当我第1场比赛输了以后，什么都没有想，第一时间去了这个小英的老家大吉斯坦，练了1年的这个摔跤和柔术。所以当我第2场在深圳站，就明显有很不一样的这个状态。
That's Sumu Darji, the first Tibetan fighter, but he also trains with Dagestani wrestlers. That will lead to a well-rounded skill set.
各方面我觉得都有所进步。
Wow, and a spin kick up top.
Sumu Darji looks phenomenal tonight. I mean, look at the movement. The kicks are sensational. The footwork, he's just getting better and better as the fight's progressing.
UFC 第1场胜利以后，我觉得是非常开心。然后我现在打出3连胜嘛，我很喜欢我们这个级别前冠军莫雷诺说的一句话：有可能不是今天，有可能不是明天，也有可能不是下个月，但是总有一天我会是冠军。
Su is a very special fighter. He's just great in everything because he does things that nobody does. You know, he has the speed, he has the power, he has a combination of everything. I will put this in a disrespectful way, but it doesn't matter who's the opponent. He will adjust himself. He will mold himself to whatever challenge comes in front of him. It is get to the top and fight for what everybody wants, the belt. And I believe then he will do that.
藏族其实以前基本没有这个练综合格斗的，从我们这一批以后，后面还有很多藏族的小孩，所以我觉得我能成为第1个，当然是很骄傲，然后更多的是动力。 因为我有很多粉丝或者是热爱格斗的人去进入这个行业去练格斗，我觉得这就是最大的改变。我觉得最起码在我的俱乐部，在我们藏区肯定会，我觉得影响一代人。